Hi guys, let us proceed to the last part of lesson 1, the chords, arcs, and central angles, which is arc addition postulate. Now what is arc addition postulate? The measure of an arc formed by two adjacent non-overlapping arcs, which is arcs that are share exactly one point, is equal to the sum of the measures of these two arcs. So for further explain, I will give you a drawing. Okay, so using circle O, so this is, we name this circle O. So measure of arc, this arc EC, this is arc EC, is equal to the measure of arc EB plus the measure of arc BC. Okay, let us spread. Measure of arc AC is equal to the measure of arc EB plus the measure of arc BC. Now, what is measure of arc EB? This is 30. And what is the measure of arc BC? Is 60. Now 30 plus 60 is equal to 90. Therefore, measure of arc EB plus measure of arc BC is equal to measure of arc EC, which is equal to 90. That is equal to the sum of the measures of these two arcs. That is arc addition postulate. Okay. Now, example. Determine the measures of the given arcs and angles. Okay, and you are going to refer to the figure that follows. O is the center of the circle here, while other points are points on the circle. Okay, so there are many points here. Point A, point B, point C, point D, point E, point F, point G, and point H. Point O is the center of the circle, and we name this circle O. Okay, so proceed. So the same figure, based on our instruction letter example, we are going to measures the arc and the angles. Okay, so first, what is measure of angle 1 or measure of angle AOB? So we name this as measure of angle 1 or measure of angle AOB. And number 2, what is the measure of arc AB? So what is the measure of this arc? Number 3, okay, for number 3, what is the measure of arc AH? Where is AH? Here. What is the measure of this? Number 4, what is the measure of arc AC? Where is AC? Arc AC. you get? Now let us answer number 1. Measure of arc, a measure of angle 1 or measure of angle EOB is equal to, we have here the answer, 45 degrees. Okay? Okay, measure of angle 1 is 45 degrees. Measure of angle arc EOB is 45 degrees. Okay, so the next number 2. What is the measure of arc AB? We have here arc AB. Arc AB. Answer is 45. Okay, 45. Our answer is 45? Because the measure of angle EOB that intercepts AB is 45. So this is the central angle EOB, which is 45. Then the measure of arc EB is also 45. As the previous discussion about the intercepts. So the next number 3. What is the measure of this arc? Without giving clue. Okay, just take note in the opposite. This is the vertical angles. Okay, so solution, arc EH is 30 degrees. Okay, we have here 30 degrees. And angle EOH, this is AOH, and DOE are vertical angles. And a pair of vertical angles are congruent. Congruent. So when we say congruent, their measure are equal. So it follows that their intercepted arcs also are congruent. So if this angle and this angle is congruent, then their intercepted arc also congruent. So that's why the answer of arc EH is 30 degrees. The measure of arc EH is 30. Okay, so next number 4, measure of arc AH. So where is AH? It's here. So arc AH is rather EC. Sorry, it's EC. So arc EC is equal to the arc EB and arc BC. Okay, as we discussed in the arc addition postulate, we can say that the sum of the measures of arc EB and arc BC is equal to the measure of arc EC. Now what is the intercepted arc of arc EB? Measure the intercepted angle of arc EB. So which is 45. Another 45, and the sum of 45 and 45 is 90. Okay? Clear? So that's all for the topic. And I hope you learn more. And if you did not so far not learn totally, you can open this video and watch again so that you will understand further. So we hope that you will learn, and we listen for the next or watch for the next video, which are lesson number 2 of this module. See you guys. Bye bye.